Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to take an overview of the TranZact platform as a whole, why customers love us, and what exactly they do on the platform. So TranZact helps companies to manage their internal business operations efficiently. It has got three core modules: sales, purchase, and inventory. Along with that, it has got production modules specifically for manufacturers and reporting and business intelligence layer on top of that. TranZact helps these companies to create documents such as sales order, purchase order, invoices, and also it helps companies to manage their workflows efficiently so that different teams in a company can come together at a single place and they can work in a collaborative manner. So why do customers love TranZact? First of all, it's very easy to use. I mean, people such as gatekeepers to CEO, everybody can use the product very easily. The next important thing is it brings whole company together on a platform. Earlier, what used to happen is that each team used to individually work on their own Google Sheets and Excel, right? And then there used to be no coordination amongst teams. But with TranZact in picture, different teams can come together and work in a very collaborative manner. The third thing that customers love about the product is top-notch reporting and analytics. They can get actual actionable insights from the product, which helps them to take their day-to-day decisions easily. And finally, TranZact has a great support. We help our customers whenever they are stuck, and not just via chat or via phone call, but from the product itself. So we have got a great TranZact Academy where people can come and resolve their doubt on their own. Okay, so who are the people who use TranZact in a company? So first of all, there is a owner or the CEO of the company who is also the decision maker. So this person is responsible for driving the adoption of TranZact in the company. And this person typically uses the reporting and analytics part of TranZact. Then there are other teams such as sales team, purchase team, accounts team, stores team, and production team. So these people use TranZact to create document, manage workflows, and ensure that everything is ordered in the company. Okay, so what are the modules that we have in TranZact? So there are certain free modules and certain paid modules. So in free as well, we can divide them into two. One are the core modules, which is like the backbone of the product. So these are transaction, quotation, inventory, and reporting module. So these are typically used by the sales, purchase teams, the store team, and overall management team of the company. Then there are other free modules such as payments, business intelligence, tally integration, approval, access management, e-way bill, and GST. And finally, the paid modules are the production modules, the material resource planning modules, and subcontract. So whenever companies become bigger in size, they move from the free modules to the paid modules. We will take a detailed look into each modules in subsequent videos. Okay, that's it from this video. I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you.